viewers, and you want to know what I learned? If I zoom in right here, you see this spot of nothingness, this perfect circle? That is the location of the actual radar, of the actual freaking device, aka the radar, used to give us all this glorious information, which only has a limited range of a whole big old part of the U.S. and I think maybe a chunk of Canada. But I do not extends to Mexico, but I do not know whether I should start weather tracking in Mexico or not. So, the current alerts right now, and the current things, are this concerning tropical disturbance. On day 2, it has a 0% or low chance of becoming a hurricane or a tropical storm, but 5 days later, on day 7, it has a 20% chance. Now, in this little area, day 2, 0%, which basically means it won't happen. But then 5 days later, 40%, which is medium. And already there's a minor hurricane. And let's say, and what I'm more concerned about is the Category 2 parts of Hurricane Flossie. But this is coming tomorrow, on July 1st. Oh wait, it is July 1st. I've already had my channel anniversary. Anyway, back to the talk of weather. I'm really worried about how much it's going to affect anyone during the Category 2 stages. And then right here, over in this part of what I think is California, yep, California. And so we got an air quality alert, and then one over here in Wyoming, I think. Nope, Colorado. And then we've got 4 mesoscale discussions, all concerning heavy rainfall. This hole is also, remember, this hole is the actual location of the radar, aka what causes these lovely pixels to appear. If we didn't have the radar, that means I wouldn't be able to see the weather and give my actually quite accurate weather reports. But as you see, if I go farther, you don't really see anything. And that's because it does not extend to there. It only extends to the U.S. and Mexico. and of course Alaska. Now everybody in Alaska, please be careful. Do not leave any fires or create any fires, no matter if it isn't malicious or not. Because I do not want to have a raging fire happening over there. I wouldn't want to see any of you people get hurt. And then over here near Mexico, we've got hurricane warnings. One right here. One right here. And one right here. Right in the tropical disturbance zone. Now, everyone near the coast, the coast, like people in wherever this is, and however I pronounce that, Acapulco, yeah, I cannot pronounce that, Amatepec, or however that's pronounced, Manzanillo, and Colima, Tecomán, and all these other coastal Mexican cities. Please be on the lookout of your weather. I do not want anything to happen that is bad. And we've got Hazcams. I'm not sure if they are copyrighted on YouTube or not, but I don't want to find out and get a strike, because that would be bad for my now 1-year-old channel. Yeah, it's 1:46 in the morning. I don't give a crap. I'm still doing the weather, and nothing's gonna stop me. Ooh, and we've got some lightning over here. Actually, a lot of it. As far as I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 strikes so far over here, so be on the lookout for any potential like funnel clouds, which could signal a possibly tornadic storm. So be on the lookout for that. And then everybody within the areas of the mesoscale discussions and every other severe weather alert, please be safe and be careful. Have a very, very safe year and a safe July. Goodbye, peace, and always keep up to date on the weather by either subscribing to me, getting a weather app like WeatherWise, which is what I am using, or doing both. I will see you next video. Peace.